How to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. If you're looking to clean up your TikTok profile and remove all those reposted videos you no longer want, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all your reposts at once on TikTok. It's super easy and can get your profile back to looking just how you want in no time. Alright, first things first, let's open TikTok app. Once you're in the app, make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you can simply go to Repost tab. Here you can see all the reposts that you've posted. Now, if you want to clear this up, what you need to do is tap on the three bars and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down until you find an option called Support. From there, you can find an option called Report a Problem. You can just tap on it. Once the page loads, you can simply choose which of the problem you are facing, or you can just choose random problem just so we can get to the next page. Now after that, simply click on no, and here you can see need more help. Simply tap on it, which will send us to TikTok help desk. Now in TikTok help desk, we can send messages. Simply type in message. Simply send the message, hi, please can you help me to delete all my reposts. Then TikTok help desk will reply you how to do that, and simply do whatever it says. Like, you can go to the original video reposted, select the share button, and simply select the yellow remove post icon. And as of now, we cannot simply remove in bulk, but you can simply remove by one. You can simply do that, and that's it. That's how you can simply delete your repost on TikTok.